The BMW M4 Competition is a perfect fusion of power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. But this customized version takes it to an entirely new level. Finished in a striking turquoise color, this car immediately captures attention, standing out as a bold statement of modern automotive design and individuality. Under the hood, the M4 Competition is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, producing over 500 horsepower. This immense power allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 4 seconds, delivering breathtaking speed and performance. Whether on the highway or a closed track, this machine offers an exhilarating driving experience, combining raw power with precise control. The exterior design is aggressive and aerodynamic. The large signature kidney grille gives it a commanding presence, while the carbon fiber hood not only enhances its sporty look, but also reduces weight for better performance. The custom body kit improves airflow and stability at high speeds, and the sleek LED headlights ensure excellent visibility while adding a futuristic touch. The wide performance wheels provide exceptional grip, making every turn feel sharp and controlled. Inside, the BMW M4 Competition offers a luxurious and driver-focused cabin. Premium sport seats provide maximum comfort and support, while the digital dashboard displays essential information in a clear and modern layout. The advanced infotainment system allows seamless control of navigation, music, and vehicle settings, ensuring a connected and enjoyable driving experience. This customized BMW M4 Competition is more than just a car. It is a symbol of status, performance, and innovation. It represents the future of luxury sports cars, where advanced technology meets bold design and unmatched speed.